Hello, in this video we're going to share some tips on how to assemble this nightstand. But before we get started, here's a few things to keep in mind. Make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver and a hammer, and just make sure all the pieces are facing the right way as you're putting it together, and you'll do great. So let's get into it. Just a quick disclaimer, these tips don't cover every step, so make sure you follow the instructions and complete all the steps in order. On step 7, when we're attaching piece 5, you can choose if you want it on this side or on this side, depending on which side you want your drawers on, so you can go ahead and choose and then follow the rest of the instructions. In steps 8 through 10, when we're assembling the legs, we just want to make sure of a couple things. We want to make sure that we have the unfinished edges facing up like this. Then also on all the corners, we just want the joints to be flush like this, and then we'll be good to go. In step 21, we'll be putting in the drawers, so we'll show you how to do that. You'll just take one of your drawers and slide it in, like that, and then once the holes inside the drawer are past this dowel on the outside, you can take one of your other dowels and put it in through the hole, and then the same on this side. And that will be your drawer stopper to keep it from falling out. And then you can just go ahead and do the same thing on the other one, and then we're good to go, and we're done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new nightstand. For more tips, tricks, and guides, go to walkeredison.com.